Hello, my name is Mary Patricia Morris, and I am going to facilitate this class in Gen 102 for you this next 5 weeks. I want to welcome you, and I want to tell you a little bit about what you'll be learning. Most of what we're going to be talking about is how to be a success. And success means different things to different people, but all of us would like to be a success. So we start with the 5 steps. Each of the units deals with being successful in a certain area and the habits we need to develop to be successful. And we end at the end of the 5 weeks with thinking about what our steps will be to a successful career. This class serves as an introduction to a lot of the other classes you'll be taking. It gives you some basic information and reviews a few basic skills that you might need to use to be that success that we all want to be. Success is personal to each of you. Nobody approaches it in exactly the same way. But the tools we use and the practices we make to be successful are similar. So I hope you will like this. I hope if you have any questions, any difficulties, you get with me right away. Don't wait. Don't be hesitant. I'm always available, and I will be monitoring texts, emails, messages, and the course discussions. So there's many ways you can reach me. Thank you and welcome.